Balanced information system triangle. What it means? Triangle means the security, functionality and usability. We call it as a triangle. Security, that is restrictions. Functionality is the features. Usability is GUI. The strength of these three components, right, can define the level of security in any system. Organizations and businesses, right, should balance between these three qualities to arrive at balanced information system. So when security goes up, usability and functionality come down. You can look at here the blue color. This is a ball here. If the ball goes towards security, the functionality and the usables come down. Security is less and functionality usability more. So always you need to balance, strike the balance between these three. If any one of them goes up and the usability and functional goes down, so that's also another problem. So you need to strike a balance between these three. So that's why balanced information system triangle is very important.